Today I will discuss about Zika virus. It is a mosquito-borne flavivirus that was first identified in Uganda in 1947 in monkeys and was later identified in humans also in 1952 and is caused by the bite of an infected Aedes mosquito, usually causing mild fever, rashes, conjunctivitis and muscle pain. Next is about the structure of Zika virus. The virion is approximately 40 nm in diameter with surface projection that measure roughly 5 to 10 nanometer. Its nucleocapsid is about 25 to 30 nanometer in diameter and it is enveloped icosahedral and it contains envelope protein ENM. Next is about its genome. It is non-segmented single-stranded positive sense RNA genome. Next is about the mosquito, that is Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. These two are the most prevalent mosquito species across the world. This is primarily due to their ability to adapt to new environments, and both the species have an observed reputation for transmitting viruses of medical importance to humans. Aedes aegypti is also known to transmit dengue fever, yellow fever virus, chikungunya and Zika virus. It is suggested to be a potential vector of Venezuela quinine encephalitis virus and is capable of transmitting West Nile virus also. As an adult, it is a small to medium sized mosquito, measuring approximately about 4 to 7 millimeter in length. Like all other insects, the body of the mosquito has three basic parts: the head, thorax and the abdomen. Whereas the head has two compound eyes and antennae that are sensitive to chemical clues and the mouth part. Only the female has a long mouth part that is capable of piercing a skin. The thorax is the midsection of the insect and is where the two wings and six segmented legs are attached. These adult mosquitoes have white scales on the dorsal surface of their thorax that form the shape of a violin. Next is about the abdomen, which contains the digestive and excretory organ and is generally dark brown to black, but also may possess a white scales. An identifying feature of Aedes aegypti is the characteristic violin or lyre-shaped pattern of the thorax. This Aedes aegypti occupies urban areas with or without vegetation and bites, rests and lays eggs both indoors and outdoors, and also has a strong preference for taking blood meal from humans and to lesser extent from domestic mammals. So, this Aedes aegypti female require a blood meal for the development of their eggs, and they will frequently take more than one blood meal for each batch of their eggs, which makes them a very important vector of human diseases. Next is about Aedes albopictus. It is also known as the Asian tiger mosquito. These two mosquitoes are similar in color and have white banding on their legs, but there is a slight difference in size and thorax pattern. This Aedes albopictus is smaller, varying between 2 to 6 millimeter in length, and they have a single slivery white strip down the middle of the top of the thorax, as you can see in the figure. This albopictus uses man-made container for laying eggs and the development of their immature stages. These mosquitoes are mostly found outdoors and are normally found in areas where they will feed on domestic and wild animals, but they can take meal from humans also. So, unlike other Anopheles and Culex mosquito, these eggs of Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus can survive drying out for longer period of time. This allows eggs to be transported in cargo, which has helped them to colonize area and that they are not originally native to around the globe. Next is about the transmission. It is transmitted by the bite of an infected mosquito from the Aedes genus, mainly Aedes aegypti. These mosquitoes usually bite during the day, peaking during early morning and late afternoon or in the evening. This is the same mosquito that transmits dengue, chikungunya and yellow fever. So, Zika virus is also transmitted from mother to fetus during pregnancy and also through sexual contact, transmission of blood and blood products and organ transplantation. Next is about the sign and symptoms. The incubation period of this Zika virus disease is estimated to be 3 to 14 days. The symptoms are may be mild and usually last for 2 to 7 days. It may be headache, fever, skin rashes, pink eye, conjunctivitis, muscle and joint pain, malaise. So these are some similar symptoms that of dengue or chikungunya. Next is about the epidemiology of this virus. This was first isolated in 1947 from a rhesus macaque in the Zika forest of Uganda. So it was named so. It was later identified in humans in 1967 or 68 for the first time in Nigeria. The first major outbreak with 185 confirmed cases were reported in 2007 in the Yap Island. So the first cases confirmed in Brazil was in the May 2015 and the country is currently experiencing the largest epidemic ever recorded with 4 lakh to 13 lakh suspected cases reported from the Brazilian health authorities. So, the rise in the spread of Zika virus has been accompanied by the rise in the case of microcephaly and Guillain-Barré syndrome. So, currently there are many countries which experiences this Zika virus outbreak. It was seen in 1947, 1948, 1952 and 1969 to 1983 and 2007 in Asia and Africa, and in 2013 to 2014 it was seen in the Pacific island of the French Polynesia, Eastern Inland, the Cook Island, and then in 2015 Brazil notifies WHO of reports of an illness which is characterized by a skin rash in the northeastern states. And in 2016, WHO declares that the recent association of Zika infection with clusters of microcephaly and other neurological disorders constitutes a public health emergency of international concern. Next is about the pathogenesis of Zika virus. Incubation period of mosquito is about 10 days. The vertebrate host of the virus are primarily monkey and humans. So, the pathogenesis of the virus is hypothesized to start with an infection of dendritic cells near the site of inoculation, which followed by a spread to lymph node and the bloodstream. After that, these flaviviruses generally replicate in the cytoplasm, but Zika virus antigen has been found in infected cell nuclei, and then infection with the virus appears to be linked to the development of usually small heads and brain damages in newborn, that is microcephaly. So, the most dangerous time is thought to be during the first trimester of pregnancy, when some women do not realize they are pregnant. So, the experts do not know how the virus entered the placenta and damages the growing brain of the fetus. Next is about the diagnosis. It can be diagnosed from blood, saliva and urine. So, PCR is the useful kit in the first 3 to 5 days after the onset of symptom. It helps in the direct detection of Zika virus RNA or specific viral antigen in clinical specimen. Next is about the treatment. So, as per report, there is no exact treatment available for Zika virus infection or its associated diseases. So, treatment is given as per symptom. Pregnant women living in areas with Zika transmission or who develop symptoms of Zika virus infected should seek medical attention for laboratory testing and other clinical care. So, this is all about today. Let's have some quick summary of the Zika virus. It was first reported in Uganda in 1947, but a Zika virus outbreak was not reported in the America until 2015. Symptoms of this disease are mostly mild and with 1 in 5 infected individual exhibit any sign of symptom. Hospitalization is rare with this infection. It was primarily transmitted from one place to another by Aedes mosquito and which bite during the day. So, Zika virus infection during pregnancy can cause infect to a born with microcephaly and other congenital malformation such as congenital Zika syndrome. So, infection with Zika virus is also associated with other complications of pregnancy which includes preterm birth and miscarriage. So, an increased risk of neurological complication is associated with Zika virus infection in adult and children, which includes Guillain-Barré syndrome, neuropathy, and myelitis. So, it is important to understand what is the role and function of the Zika virus. So, this is all about today. Thank you for watching this video.